Hey Geraldine, coming from beautiful Powell River. I just wanted to talk to you today about the tipping point in anybody's life. When I was younger, I actually moved away from my hometown of all the familiarity in my world with a young son because there was a tipping point in my life where I felt that I deserved and I needed to expand my knowledge and get a little bit more life experience away from the comforts of the everyday life of my family and just knowing that I can go out and do it on my own. Another tipping point for me that came was when I decided to stop drinking alcohol, because for a majority of my life I was an alcoholic. So that belief system was not serving my purpose in the world, so I had to release something in order to take the next step. And then now here I am with you, hoping I am inspiring you to take the next step, because you probably are reaching a tipping point in your life where what your limiting beliefs are not working any longer. They hold no strength, and now you must decide if you're going to actually take the next step of bravery and expand your knowledge, or expand your bravery, or expand your self-worth in the world. Because one of the biggest things in the world is facing those fears. And by all means, I was fearful of the ridicule I would get by not drinking any longer or moving away from my hometown. And definitely it was met many times through and through, but each time that I made a breakthrough, it made other people uncomfortable, and that's perfectly okay. You have to remember that it's not their journey, it's your journey, yours. You're the one that needs to make sure that you are living to your fullest potential. Holding on to limiting beliefs and reaching that tipping point, those are indicators that you're about to embark on an amazing journey. And yeah, it's going to be scary. Yeah, it's going to freak you out, but that's okay, because you know what? You are there for a reason. The Creator didn't put you in that position for you just to bow down. You know you have strength in you. You know you have the power. And I believe in everything that you've done in your life so far. If you want to share your tipping point experience with me, by all means, put it down there in the comment section, or like my fan page at Entrepreneur University, or you can just friend me on Facebook, Geraldine McLeod. All good. So just make sure that you keep living to your full potential and don't give up. Because if you give up, then you're giving in, and that's not an option. Cheers. Have a great day.